Welcome to Family Toy Review. Today we have a Cars 3 wind-up toy from Thinkway Toys. And these are about, I think they're like $5 or $6 or $7 or $8. Maybe like $6 or $7 from Toys R Us. Man, here are the ones that you could get. I did not know that they had these two. I've seen the McQueen, Jackson Storm, and they have a Cruz Ramirez 3-piece set, and they sell the Mater individually. And I wonder what the Miss Fritter and Smokey looks like, because they all have a little special features with the winding up. And why would you want to get a wind-up toy like this for more than $1? Because these should cost just about maybe a couple dollars. I mean, a long time ago they cost even less. If you go to Party City, they have cheaper wind-up toys and they cost like $5 each, something like that. They're a little bit overpriced. This one is pretty cool though, because if you wind it up, look what happens. That's right. And it looks like Mater's wheel came off when we fixed that. But this wind-up toy, Mater kind of walks around. There you go. See that his wheel keeps popping off. Let's take another look. I fixed his wheel. Where you going, Mater? He's walking around. He's almost like he's tiptoeing, but he's so loud. So this is a really cool wind-up toy. They don't all move like this though. And his tow hook moves back and forth. It just jiggles around. It almost looks like a little bug or a little baby. Now these other guys, they don't walk around. They actually just move forward like a regular wind-up car, except their eyes will move around. I think Lightning McQueen's eyes move left and right, something like that. So they're not that cool. The only really cool one is Mater. But I do wonder what Smokey and Miss Fritter, maybe Miss Fritter has a cool action too. If we see one, we'll go get one. Also, this is a plastic toy. Unfortunately, his eyes are taped. So these decorations, these decals are just tapes. They're not printed onto the body. His teeth, I don't know. It's not a sticker. So these are stickers here. There's a sticker back here. See him walking.